Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Let's start the class. Okay. Today's topic, day's name. Stand up.
SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday,
NE.
WEDNESDAY Wednesday,
RS.
THURSDAY
Thursday. Friday.
FRIDAY Friday,
Saturday.
SAR
No. SAT.
UR Saturday,
DAY.
Saturday.
Next.
SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNES Wednesday, Thursday, FRIDAY Friday,
Next.
SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNES Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday.
Good. Next.
MONDAY Day Monday, TUESDAY Day Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Day Wednesday, THURSDAY Day Thursday, FRIDAY Day Friday, SATURDAY
Friday.
Saturday, SUNDAY Day Sunday.
Next.
MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday, SUNDAY Sunday.
Next.
SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUSDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY
No. WEDNES.
NESDAY
Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Thursday.
THUSDAY
URS. DAY. Thursday. Friday.
FRIDAY
FRIDAY. Friday. Saturday. SATURDAY.
Saturday.
Next.
SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY
Tuesday. Wednesday.
WN.
Next.
SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday. Wed बोला जाता बेटा. Wednesday.
Wednesday,